Question number 7 is gx is equal to x square plus 55 or y is equal to x square plus 55. Now it's a parabola. Whenever we have a quadratic equation, it always forms a parabola. And there are certain conditions. If it is ax squared plus bx plus c standard form of parabola, if a is a positive value, right, which is greater than 0, then it will be an upward parabola. I cannot say a greater than or equal to 0, because if a is equal to 0, it will not be a quadratic equation anymore. So if a is greater than 0, it is upward parabola. So it's clear from here that it's going to be an upward parabola, right? Okay, concept number 1 done. Now second concept used is, this is the vertex form of parabola plus k, where h and k is the vertex. So this is h and k, that is the vertex, right? H and k, where h is the x coordinate of the vertex and k is the y coordinate of the vertex. If I just compare it with this one, with our equation, so then y or g of x is equal to 1 x minus 0 whole square plus 55. That means h is 0 and y is 55 here, right? So that means if this is an upward parabola, the maximum value can go to infinity because it is increasing on both the sides. But the minimum value is limited here. So when it says minimum value, it is always the value of the function, which is gx here, or you can say that is the y coordinate, right? So that, which is 55. So that means the minimum value here is 55. That is the minimum value. And this minimum value is at what point? This minimum value is what point? That is the point of minima, which is 0 here. But because we need to calculate minimum value, that is always of the function, which is 55. I hope that is clear.